Open hi-hats can be a bit of a struggle when you've just started playing, so here's a super simple exercise to hopefully sort that out a little bit. Sounds full on, but I promise once I explain it, it's not too bad. So we're playing eighth notes and you're opening the hi-hat on all the ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. To get the best sound out of it on this, I suggest you play with the tip of the stick on top of the hi-hat. In the first bar, we're going to play the bass drum on the beat, so when we're not opening the hi-hat. So 1, open, close, open. You'll notice in this bar that the left foot is coming down with the bass drum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next, move the bass drum, nothing else changes, to the ands. So you end up with a bass drum as you're opening the hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you stick them together, you'll end up getting 2 bass drums at the end because you get one on the and of 4 and then on 1. Take it really slow. Think about making sure the feet are coming down at a nice time together, not flamming, making sure that that left foot sounds really good. On a real kit, it'll be more obvious, but sometimes electric kits can make it a bit trickier. So when you're bringing down the left foot, make sure the right hand is coming down and it sounds really clean together. Nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Take that away, see how you go. That's probably going to improve your open hi-hats and grooves very quickly. Enjoy.